Hello everyone! In this video we are going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I want you to use your calculator right here. So here is the problem. We have 6 divided by 6 times 6 divided by 6. Of course, here is the problem, and what is the answer, yeah? So of course most of you out there are like, yes, I can handle this. This is basic. I learned this stuff in the 3rd grade. We have simple division, multiplication, and division, yeah? This is really great. And of course I suggest you to choose one option. What do you think is a correct answer right here? So go ahead and put your answer into the comment section. And I'm going to show you the correct answer here in just 1 minute, yeah? And we will check our answer. I swear it will be really interesting. Okay, so here is our problem. What is the first approach to solve this problem? I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect, but let's see the first approach. So we have 6 divided by 6 times 6 divided by 6. Yeah, so we have this question. A lot of students solve it like that. Okay, they see 6 divided by 6. This is really great because it's equal to 1. And then 6 divided by 6 in the end. This is really great because this is the same, equal to 1. And then 1 times 1 equal to 1. Okay, and they say option A is a correct answer. So as you can see, whatever order you select is going to create a different answer. Like, should we do multiplication first, then division? Maybe should we divide it first, then multiply? It's really great. And I'm going to show you how can we solve it correctly and with explanation. Okay, here is our PEMDAS order, the main popular order in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculators works according to PEMDAS order, yeah? And let's solve it correctly according to PEMDAS order. First one, we have parentheses, yeah? So are there any parentheses right here? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have parentheses, which is really great. Then we have exponents. So are there any squares, cubes right here, fourth power? No, I don't see any of those, which is really great. We skip this part. Then I just rewrite this problem real quick. 6 divided by 6 times 6 divided by 6, yeah? So as you can see, the next step we have multiplication. But a lot of students go it wrong because they say, okay, we need to multiply it first. But then I ask them why you need to multiply, because multiplication and division is one group. So it's really important step. Multiplication and division is one group, and you need to scan, are there any multiplication and division signs right here? Yes, I see division, multiplication, and division sign. So it's our case, multiplication and division group. This is really important moment because it's not like multiplication first then division, yeah? So multiplication division group, okay? Let's start with this. So we need to scan what is the first sign from left to right. Doesn't matter, it will be like division or multiplication, doesn't matter, we need to do this, yeah? So what is the first sign from left to right? The first sign from left to right is this division, yeah? The first sign, because this is in the middle, this is in the end, this is our first sign. So let's divide this 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Yeah, and we still have times 6 and divided by 6. Yeah, so we have this expression right now. And let's go once more. This is multiplication division part. So what is the first sign from left to right? The first sign from left to right is this multiplication. So let's multiply. 1 times 6 equal to 6, and we will have division in the end. So 6 divided by 6 we'll have 1. So you can see very tricky moment because we have like the same answer as right here, but this is a wrong approach to this problem. This is a correct approach to this problem. And this is really tricky question. So 1 is a correct answer, so I write right here. So answer, this is option A with 1. But 1 is a correct answer in this case because we solve it correctly with PEMDAS order step by step. But when 1 will be correct answer right here, because you cannot like go wherever you want, like right here I want to divide, right here I want to divide, yeah? So we need to put brackets, yeah? If you put parentheses right here, then 1 will be correct answer, yeah? So right here we divide at first and then multiply. So it's really important and tricky step. I hope you understand it. But in our case we don't have parentheses, so according to PEMDAS our answer is 1. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, okay? If you need to learn basic maths, interesting brain tests, you can easily subscribe to my channel and write your answer about this solution. What do you think is the correct answer to this problem? Because a lot of countries, a lot of approaches to this problem, and it will be really interesting to how can you solve it in your country. Maybe you solve it in another way. And definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I wish you all the best in your mathematics adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day.